Hey, what's happening guys? Mike Moo here. Have you guys heard of Zendure? This company right here that make these awesome looking battery packs to run Kickstarter a number of years ago. Well, they've done pretty successfully. They've released a lot of battery packs. However, this public service announcement's to let you know that if you see this model right here, which is the Zendure A8PD, and you see it for a ridiculously cheap price, do yourself a favor and don't buy it. The reason is it's a cheap price for a reason. I just have to ask them, Zendure, if you're watching this, why the heck would you continue to release and sell brand new battery packs, even at a discount rate, if they just are defective and they don't work out of the box? This is my second one, okay? So I had bought one before and it wasn't working. I thought, hey, maybe it's a fluke. So I bought another one. And I think the first one I had bought as a return like new condition. This one is a brand new one with licensed information about it right over here. And while I was able to plug it in and it claims that it was charging, it never got past 40% regardless. And then the power button doesn't even work. At least the other one, the first one that I got, actually got up to 100%. It never powered on, so I was never able to use it. So what I did was I went and I contacted Zendure about it, and they said, well, please send us information about where you purchased it. And I did, and then I haven't heard back from them. It was, that was a couple of days ago, and I still haven't heard back from them. Maybe they're running on low capacity right now because of Corona. I don't know. So, fast forward, I said, okay, I'll give it another shot. I will buy another one. So this is the third one, but the difference between that and the rest of these is one is brand new, one of them was like new used, and one is Amazon refurbished. This is actually an Amazon refurbished product, which has a 90-day return policy and guarantee. So if anything, I figured this one should work, right? Because it has actually been refurbished by an Amazon authorized retailer. Has the same codes on here, has a scratch off or code for authenticity. So yeah, I got this one. I think it was sold by Zendure on Amazon, or at least it's sold by Amazon. So maybe some of these are fake, but I mean, it's got the scratch for the code right here. And you know, while I didn't scratch it, it has a scratch to verify and everything. Everything looks really legit. I mean, the fit and finish and quality of this looks and feels legit. So if you are getting a new one with a similar capacity of what I believe is 26, roughly 27,000 milliamp hours, it's gonna run you $100 odd. Whereas this one, refurb, I think went as low, or even some returns went as low as $27. And they're all supposed to be inspected, but I think that they didn't even bother really inspecting these, so you just can't really trust what they're saying right now in terms of Amazon inspected. So I'm gonna find out whether or not this one, which is Amazon certified refurbished, and it looks like it's repackaged, like completely brand new. This is, I mean, if it weren't for the sticker outside, I wouldn't be able to tell at all that this was not a brand new product. The only difference was that this has that sticker on here. But yeah, this looks brand new, secured and sealed right here. Let's see if I can get the light a little bit on here. It feels brand new. The whole unboxing, this feels like real premium products. Zendure products really seriously feel like they belong in an Apple store. I don't even know if they sell it on here, but the product life is about 500 discharge cycles. It has a USB-C PD power delivery, which will be very useful in powering up mobile laptops on the go or even MacBooks. This one's supposed to have a 30-watt output thing, but none of it really mattered because I couldn't test any of these. I got it, you know, this is my third one again, and I really couldn't test it. The accessories in there, well, you'll see in a second as I open this up. The accessories in here are pretty minimal. They don't give you a charger. It'd be nice if they actually gave you a QC3 charger. But no, they don't give you that. But you know, you're all about, I mean, it's all about the battery pack, right? And chances are, if you're using a PD system, you're gonna also be able to use your PD USB-C charger, maybe from your MacBook, for instance, if you were using it. Packaging seems okay. It's a little bit difficult to get it out. Looks precisely the same as a brand new product. Now here's the test. On all the ones that I received right away when I got it out of the box, I couldn't even power it on by pressing this power button right here. This is a multi-function button. Nothing turns on. There's nothing related to that. I thought, hey, maybe it's that I need to plug something in. Wasn't even the case. Okay, so this one actually powers on. You see that? So this one is an Amazon refurbished product. it must work. Yeah, it must work. It looks like they actually inspected these. They needed to fix whatever they needed to fix, and it actually powers on. And that's something that the other two didn't fix or couldn't do. Got the power cable in here. I'm gonna go ahead and test charging it right now. Looks like I have high hopes for this. Before I forget, since I already opened it anyways, it comes with this little cloth case that has a little Zendure imprint on there. And it comes with some stickers from Zendure, 24-month warranty and customer care card, choose durability or both. Obviously, not so durable. Comes with some stickers, camping, hiking, USB-C power delivery guide, and plus finally a user guide and user manual, which I couldn't even test to see all the features because, like I said, the other two wouldn't even power on. Higher hopes for this. Again, this third time's a try, right? So it's got a regular USB A to C, and I'm just gonna plug this into here just to see if it's accepting a charge. This is just a regular battery pack, and this one is by Ubio Labs. Looks like it's charging. It's at 27%, which is a good sign. But more importantly, can I actually get output up from here at 27%? So all the other two were able to charge from the USB-C cable, and it actually powered up and lit up, but none of them, oh, here we go, look at that. So this one's the latest one that I received. This one's the Amazon refurbished by Amazon. This one's the brand new one from Zendure that actually receives a charge, you see that? But it never powers on. It never gets past 30-some%, 40-some%, whereas this one does. So I think that this one is the one to get if you're gonna go ahead and try to get one. And I'll have a link down below where I got it. Obviously it's from Amazon. You basically look for the Amazon refurbished. More importantly, I had 90 days to make sure this thing still consistently works for 90 days. And I believe this was under $30. So it could be a real steal at this price. But don't get the new one. Don't get a returned one because Amazon's not necessarily checking them out. All right, so that's it for this little video. Just a little tip for you on that. And I will hopefully, if this lasts past 3 months and I continue to use it and it still works, I should have an updated review. But I usually don't want to post a full review until after I've had it for a couple months, really used it. But I might post an interim initial impressions review, assuming that this works. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful to some of you guys. And be sure you buy the correct one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Guess it depends on the time of the day.